Divide. The problem is 4/9 divided by -6. We'll begin by rewriting this problem using the division sign. So 4/9 divided by -6. Now we'll write it as 4/9 divided by -6/1. We do that in anticipation of our next step, which is changing from a division problem into a multiplication problem by inverting the second fraction. So 4/9 times -1/6. I might just take the opportunity to remind you that it doesn't matter if the negative is out in front of the fraction, in front of the numerator, or in front of the denominator. Just make sure you only have one negative, because if you have two negatives, that makes the fraction positive. Now we can cancel a common factor between the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. 2 goes into 4 twice and into 6 3 times. So we've got 2 times -1, which is -2, over 9 times 3 is 27. So -2 over 27, or this can be rewritten as -2 over 27 with a negative out front.